Hello and welcome, Ghost tells you once again on another Glasgow tours. This, apparently according to the Google Maps, is Priesthill Nature Reserve. I'm getting up there. Can I go? I've already been here. I don't know. Got someone living rough, perhaps. I have seen quite a few tents around Glasgow. I do know how it feels. Yeah, I really have a feeling I've been here before. I can't help but get rid of that feeling of I've been here. I've recorded this park. I could be remembering a different park, and you're probably hearing a lot of rustling then. Gee, can you just stay one place, you stupid microphone? Let's put it back where I had it before. Maybe. So it's just not there touching. Shame though. It actually looks like a lighting fixture from someone's house. Yeah, it must be. Along with the bathroom radiator. Can see Cena World over there. I remember. I kind of remember walking down that left down here and walking this way. I think I have been here a while ago. Still gonna post this video, but I must have been here before. Yeah. Last time, if I remember right, I started up there. And I think when I recorded, I didn't have a clue what the name of this area was. But now it says Priesthill Nature Reserve. So, yeah. I'm going to walk to the end of here and see what's going on. See if I am absolutely right. Excuse me. That crow is strutting its stuff. It has been raining on and off since last video. And off the crow goes. Yeah, I definitely think I've been here before. Yeah. Still a lot of crap on here. Even more trolleys. This one does like a lot of stuff. Bloody fly tips. Yeah, fly tippers. Yeah, I've definitely been here. So, Kimmy, not the first time I've started filming a park and realised I've been there before and done a video. So, yeah, just a little quick video. And hopefully someone from the council or as a representative or knows someone who in the council that represents this local area and can try to get this place cleaned up ASAP or at some point, hopefully soon. And because I hate seeing nature reserves go like this, having fly tips and such. So until next time, ladies, gentlemen, and whoever else, tally ho.